Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Out English in the House. Today we have the part 2 of Learn English in the Supermarket. Today we are going to learn the most important items in our shopping list. So let's start with number 1. This is a Amar.
Napkin.
This is a napkin and this is a
Tissue. What is the difference between them?
Yes, I was about to ask you the same question. Napkins are usually bigger and we use the napkins to keep ourselves clean while eating some food, and tissues are smaller. For example, we can use the tissues to blow our nose when we are sick. And this is a pack of toilet papers. Now there is something interesting here, Amar. What is this?
It's on sale, right?
It's on sale. What's the difference between sale and discount? Sale is when there is a general sale for everything. You see, the shelves are empty because of the sale. Discount is something personal. For example, you ask the shop owner to make you a discount. For example, reduced, come here, reduced from 469 to 239. So this is a dustpan and this is a broom. What am I doing, Amar?
You are
I am,
sweeping the floor.
or I am collecting the dust. So this is a mop, yes. So what can I do with the mop? I can
Mop the floor.
mop the floor. And this is a
Buckets.
bucket. I can fill the bucket with water and use the mop to clean the floor. And these are sponges. What can I do with a sponge?
We can clean the surfaces. We can clean the shelves.
Okay, we can also wash the dishes, right? And this is steel wool. I can clean the pans, clean the, let's say, the frozen grease. And this is a kitchen cloth. What can I do with the kitchen cloth? I can soak the water and I can also clean the shelves. And these are gloves. I can put on gloves and protect my hands from chemicals while cleaning something. And this is a
Liquid soap.
liquid soap. What can I do with the liquid soap? I can wash my hands. If I use lots of liquid soap, what will be? There will be white
Bubbles.
bubbles and foam. And here we have so many shampoos.
Different kind of shampoos.
Different kinds of shampoos. What can I do a shampoo? I can use it to
Squeeze it on your head
and
wash your head.
wash my hair, right?
Hair, of course.
Yes,
Which
okay.
one is your favorite, by the way?
Actually, I prefer clear because Cristiano Ronaldo uses it. So I love it, that's why. And here we have so many colors of hair dye. Let's ask the ladies, what's your favorite color to dye your hair? And this is a
Comb.
comb. What am I doing, Amar?
You're brushing your hair with the comb.
Yeah, I'm brushing my hair with a comb.
Okay, what else do we have there?
We have mirror. We have so many mirrors. You can see
See
yourself.
ourselves from the mirror, yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
I can see myself in the mirror. And here we have so many types of deodorant. I can spray it on my armpit.
All right. There's a different kind there.
Yes,
You can roll it.
this is a roller deodorant. I can roll it on my armpit to smell good. So this is a toothpaste and this is a toothbrush. I can use the toothpaste and squeeze it on the toothbrush, then use it to brush my teeth. And this is a mouthwash. I can use it to gargle my mouth. And this is an electric toothbrush. Do you use the normal toothbrush or the electric toothbrush? Let me know in the comments. So this is a pot and this is a lid. I use the lid to cover the pot. And this is a pan. Amar, complete the sentence. Pan.
Cake.
Oh, you like pancakes?
Of course, who doesn't like pancake? Especially when it's with some fruit like
And with the maple syrup, right? I love it too.
honey.
Yes. So this is a knife. I use it to cut the vegetables, the fruits, the meat but not my fingers, right? And this is a cutting board. I use the knife to cut the vegetables on the cutting board. So this is a salt shaker, and this is a Amar.
This is a pepper shaker.
This is a pepper shaker too.
So what are those things?
I think there are so many types of lunch boxes over here. We use it to,
Of course, save our food, and maybe we can put them inside the refrigerator.
okay, good, very good.
Okay, we have some things here. Could you please tell us?
Yeah, we have so many types of straws.
Different colors.
They are so
Children
cute.
love such
Yes,
things.
okay.
I also love them.
I don't use straws. And we found a teddy bear here. What can we do with the teddy bear? We can hug it to feel safe so we can fall asleep. Do you have a teddy bear from your childhood? So here we have so many types of candles.
And some of them smell really good.
Yes, this one smells like vanilla. And do you use candles while studying, while relaxing? So here we have so many towels. Amar, what can we use the towels for?
We use them for many purposes, like drying yourself,
Yes.
drying your face.
Okay, and when you go to the beach, you put the towel on the ground and you lay on it, right?
Exactly.
To do sunbathing.
Oh, we have something here. What
Yeah.
is this?
Yeah, we have, camping chair or camping seat. Do you love camping, Amar?
Sure, especially if I have the right people to come with me.
Yes. Have you done camping before, or have you?
Definitely. Right
Really?
in front of the sea. Exactly.
Oh my! I didn't know this.
Let's go next time.
Okay. So here we have a grill and we have coal. What can we do with this combination? We can do the best activity human being has ever created, which is
Barbecue.
barbecuing, right? So this is a bowl, which I can use it for salads, for soups, and this is a plate, which I can use it for rice, for steak, for other things. So this is a jar. What can I use the jar for, Amar?
We use it to save or maybe store, or let's say keep our food fresh.
Yes, I can also keep the olives, the jam fresh in a jar. So this is a glass and this is a cup. Amar, what's the difference between these two?
We use cups generally for coffee and hot drinks. While the other one, we use it for cold drinks like water.
Yes, for lemonade,
juice.
yes, smoothies,
Exactly.
Apple juice, orange juice, yes. That was all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you want more of this series, please let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts about this video. What did you learn from this video? And we are continuing this series. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video with your friends if you think it's useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.